Grabe, hapon na. It is Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday today. Katatapos ko lang mag-film ng review nitong mga snow skin whitening products na i-touch. Yung skin whitening lotion at saka yung skin whitening cream ko ng bonggang-bongga. I will do my best to edit it very soon. I'm actually planning to film one more video, but we'll see. I'm uploading a video right now. This is a haul. Yeah. And yan, tagal ko na hindi nakapag-vlog. Hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon kasi medyo na busy ang life. And you guys, I got a package today. This is from Cosmetix Unlimited. Unlimited ba? Wait, I don't think I said that right. Basta Cosmetix PH something. Yung mga matte lipsticks na made here in the Philippines, like liquid matte lipstick. Yeah, Cosmetix Unlimited. Sobrang bango nito. Meron siyang note dito, ang bango-bango. Yeah, as in sobrang bango ng pouch. So, nandito sa pouch yung mga lipsticks. I'm not gonna show you guys kasi I will do a separate swatches video and then a haul as well. But I just really like the pouch. Tapos ang bango niya because of the scented pepper. So, thank you so much Cosmetix Unlimited. Unlimited? Yeah, limited yun, diba? Kalimutan na. Kaloka. Iligpit ko lang tong mga snow skin whitening products ko. And then should I film another video? I'm planning to film a story time video. And speaking of story time, my story time video is already up, yung about sa laser treatment ko. So if you haven't watched it, I will leave the link below for you guys. Ito yung film ko na haul kahapon, and that's the video that's uploading right now. So IY, tapos ito yung mga nail polish na nakuha ko from Vain WholesaleSupplier on Facebook. So, binigyan niya ako nito. Sobrang favorite ko to. Ito na yung bagong favorite nail file ko. It's from Bath & Body Works. So, if you're looking for Aeropostale nail polishes, you guys, you need to check their website kasi, no, not website, Facebook kasi nag-wholesale din sila. So, kapag bumili ka ng 15 pieces, bibigay nila sa inyo for less. So, yeah. And also, mga nail file din. Yung mga, you know, mga nail galore. So, I will leave their links below if you guys are interested. You know what? I should film a video since meron akong makeup. Nakakainis to. Diba ito? Last vlog ko, ito. Ito yung hari. Ngayon, merong isang hari. Nakakaloka. Grabe naman. I have my pee kasi. Yeah, mawawala din yan pagka wala ng aking pee. I will film a story time video. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung story time ko, but I'm gonna do that like right now. Katatapos ko lang mag-film ng story time video, you guys. Yun yung immigration experience ko. So, yung na-hold ako sa immigration twice. Yeah. So, I'm not sure kung kailan ko yun i-upload. Pero sobrang init. As in, sobrang init talaga. Sobrang basa ng likod ko. Nagpalit ako ng shirt kanina eh. Yan yun oh. Sobrang basa niya talaga. Yung likod, I'm not sure if you can see. O siguro wala. Oh yeah, oh. Basa niya talaga. May nagtanong sa akin kung binabalik ko ba sa closet ko or nilalagay ko sa laundry kapag ganyan. Yan, ilalagay ko yan sa laundry, obviously. Usually, sa mga sinusuot ko sa videos ko, nilalagay ko sila sa laundry. Lalo na kapag natatagalan ako. Pero kapag sandali lang naman, like, you know, kapag aalis ako, tapos magpapalit ako, tapos nagbago yung isip ko, palit na naman ako, yun, binabalik ko sa closet yun. Pero yung mga matagal na, like, you know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes na napapawisan na, nilalagay ko sila sa laundry. Yeah, kasi tsaka naman kapag nilagay mo sa mga malilinis mong damit, yung mga pawisan mong damit, diba? Tapos na mag-charge yung aking battery. That was quick. So, yeah, tina-transfer ko lang yung files ko. Tapos, I'm not sure if I'm gonna edit right now. I'm just gonna wash my face first para okay na, hindi ko na iisipin mamaya. So, yeah, I'm gonna wash my face and then edit a video, hopefully. We'll see. Nagluluto ako ng rice. Hinihintay ko lang yung tubig. Nagpabuhat ako ng tubig kay Mark kasi ubos na yung tubig namin, no, for rice. See, wala nang lamarns. Wala nang lamarns. Isa na lang? Hi guys! guys! Hindi pa pala ako nakapag-good morning sa inyo. Tapos ngayon, hapon na. Hindi pa ako nakapag-lunch. I was editing a video. Tapos, yeah, nung nag-edit na ako, kulang ko lang yung voiceover ko. So, I'm going back here. And I'm gonna do the missing voiceover. That is a DIY video. It's going to be my very first like full-on DIY video. Meron akong ginawang DIY but it was incorporated in my Q&A. So it wasn't really like a DIY video. But yeah, that's going to be the first. It's a halter top, you guys. Kasi I've been wanting to get one and I just couldn't find a halter top na as in mag-fit talaga sa akin ng bonggang-bongga. Oh my gosh, 15 minutes left. Oh my gosh, I need to finish that video. Dapat tapusin ko ma-edit yun kasi malapit na ma-upload tong isa. Okay, gagawin ko lang yung kulang ko na voiceover and then talk to you later. Lunchtime, I have munggo, I have beans, rice, and yes. So I think magtutubig lang ako. We'll see. Tapos ko na ma-edit yung yung DIY ko. So, I'm just waiting for it to save. Tapos, pagkatapos na nag-edit ako na ulit ng isang video. Ano bang iinumin ko? Walang drinks here. Oh, by the way, you guys, niluto ko yung yung champurrado from Whitening, yung finiture ko sa food haul ko. Masarap siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng condensed milk. Though, lalagyan mo pa siya. Pag niluto mo siya, lalagyan mo siya ng sugar. Pero, nilagyan ko ulit siya ng condensed milk. Anong iinumin ko? Okay, I'm just gonna have two big. Let's do it. Hi guys! Natapos ko na i-edit yung aking Snow Skin Whitening Products review at demo. And lumabas pala ako kanina. Kinuha ko yung mga payments sa LBC at saka sa Buwana. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, binenta ko yung mga damit ko na hindi ko na ginagamit. So yeah, salamat nga pala sa lahat ng bumili. Take a picture ha, tapos itag nyo ako ng bonggang-bongga. I will need to update that post kasi my sister is gonna post some of her clothes as well. Marami siya ditong mga clothes na hindi pa niya nagagamit. And yeah, we will post that. And my sister actually have been helping me with it. So siya yung nag-ship ng mga products. Sobrang hirap kung dito guys, LBC lang yung malapit sa akin and sobrang mahal ng LBC. And yung mga makeup na ibebenta ko, hindi ko pa alam kung kailan ko sila ipopost. Kailangan ko pa silang isanitize lahat before ko sila ipost, before ako mag-take ng picture. Nandito na sila parang na-separate ko na sila. Tapos, I'm actually planning to do like a one brand review, Maybelline. So, nandito lahat ng mga Maybelline products ko. Tapos, ito, I need to do a video on this as well. Ito yung mga matte lipsticks from Cosmetix Unlimited. Yung plan ko kasi today is not film a video at all. Kailangan ko i-edit yung mga videos na na-film ko. So, I edited 2 videos today. Tapos, I have one more video to be edited. It's a story time video, you guys. Kasi you guys told me on my previous Q&A video na gusto nyo ng story time yung immigration experience ko. So, I filmed that yesterday and I don't think I'm gonna edit that today kasi yung isa nagsisave pa and I think 1 hour pa bago save yung video na yon. If gusto nyo i-check yung mga clothing items na binenta ko, yung link ng Facebook page ko is yung pinakauna sa description box. So yeah, magluluto ako ng talong for dinner. Tagal ko na din hindi nakakain ng talong. So yes, hugasan ko muna sila tapos i-chop ko into pieces. And then lulutuin ko, gigisahin ko ng bonggang-bongga with soy sauce and so yeah. 4 lang kaming kakain eh. So, ilang ba lulutuin ko? Siguro tama na yan. Tama na ba yan? Or, yan. Ready na aking onion at garlic. Tapos nandito na rin yung talong. Done! Talong! Yummers! Oh my gosh. I tasted it and it's so good. So tawagan natin si Mark. Mark! Kaon na ta! Di pa kang kaon? Di ka pa kakain? Hi Hi guys! I'll do shoutout na para ma-close ko na tong vlog, para ma-edit ko na to. I'm uploading another video right now. 676 minutes remaining. Kaka-upload ko lang yan kasi na-upload na yung video ko kanina. Bonggang-bonggang. Bilis yung internet ngayon. I don't wanna jinx it, but yeah, so far, so good. I hope it stays that way. Anyway, shoutout na tayo. I will start with Emeluz. Hi, girl! Third wedding anniversary nila today. So yeah, congrats sa inyo ng bonggang-bongga. Hi to Janet Iglesia. Jade Hernandez Lozada. Birthday niya, March 2. Belated happy birthday. And to her husband na rin, hello to Darwin Dave. And hi to Evangelique. Birthday niya din, March 2. Belated happy birthday. Ang daming nag-birthday sa March. Lahat ng kapatid ko, birthday nila March, tapos si mama din March. So ako lang at saka si papa yung naiba sa pamilya namin kasi ako October, si papa August. So yeah, ang daming March. And then hi to It's Me Janine, tapos mga co-teachers niya. Tama ba, co-teachers from CNU Medallion? Bongga yung Medallion, nakapunta na ako dyan. Hi to Patricia Abad, Nicole Magsumbol, Princess Ariane from Bungabon, Nueva Ecija. Hello. Mary Jane Cobarrubias, Zira Zam, Kath Tamayo, Leia Villanueva, and to her sister na si Beth Schuyler from Italy. Hello, Italia! Hi to China or China V. Belated happy birthday din sa'yo. Hi to Christine Conanan. Birthday niya bukas, 10th. Advance happy birthday. Hi to Melot Panancilio. Birthday din ng kapatid niya bukas. So my gosh, ang daming mag-birthday. And hi to Mausi and sa mga Junakis niya na sila Isabel at Morissette. Hi! And lastly, hi to RB Bernabe. Hello! Alam ko ang dami kong hindi na shoutout kasi I wasn't able to go through like every single video. So if hindi ko kayo na shoutout, please do comment sa vlog na to para sa next vlog. Ito na yung video na to yung i-check ko, okay? So yeah, sorry sa mga hindi ko na shoutout. I'm really liking the internet speed right now. Oops. Uh-oh. Just kidding. Tumataas na siya bonggang-bongga. Oh well, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Ang sarap ng talong na luto ko kanina. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do not forget, be good. Bye!